Let's do an unboxing video. I just ordered a bunch of things from Space NK. I just thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing video. I like watching these, and this is not a review on anything. I'm going to be reviewing all of this, so it's kind of like a sneak peek of what's to come. So I used to order a lot of makeup from Nordstrom, but I switched over to Space NK, and this is why. Their prices on makeup are so much better. I'm not going to tell you that it's cheap, but on luxury makeup, a lot of the brands, especially Sisley, is a lot cheaper. Plus, they have sales that go on, so then they already have a less price compared to Nordstrom. And then a lot of times you get like 30% off or 20% off. And then you earn, the more you spend, you kind of earn like bucks, if you will. And then you can, use that and get a discount. And that's what I did with this. I used a little bit of a discount that I had, and then I earned even more. So I really love ordering from Space NK. It's from the UK, and I'm telling you, I can order something from California and it will take me much longer than if I order from them. If I order from Space NK, I get it like in a couple of days. It's crazy. So there's some things from Sisley that I wanted to test out for you guys. So I'm going to do like a full face of almost all of Sisley. I don't have an eyeliner, a brow, or a lip liner, but I pretty much have everything else. And I'm going to do a whole face look using Sisley. So I just want to order a couple more things to test out for you guys. One of the things I want to order from them is a lip product. A lot of their lipsticks, I don't know, it's hard to tell online when you're looking at the swatches. I did see somebody swatch some of these, so that's why I decided to get this. This is the Sisley Photo Rouge Shine. It says hydration, brilliance, and transparent. Sheer, color, and hydration. Number 11. I hope I like it. Hopefully it's not too sheer. I might actually put this one on in a video today, because I'm not going to do a separate video with this, but it will be part of my whole look. Okay, well that's nice. They have a little velvet sachet. Well, how lovely is that? This is the packaging on it. I like that. You know why? This could be something that could get scratched up. So if you take it with you, I appreciate that. So I probably will do that. And this one is, again, in the color 11. It says Sheer Blossom. And it looks like it's probably similar to what I have on. So let me wipe this off. See if I can get off without getting my lip liner off. All right, so let's put this on. Ooh. Very nice. For a sheer color, you definitely see a color. So I'm going to wear this and I'll have to let you know how it wears. But just first impression, it feels nicer than the Chanel. Is it the Cocoa Flash, I believe it is? I don't have one in front of me. But that one I love. It feels amazing, but I do have to like keep on applying it. It's actually what I had on before I started filming. This feels very nice. The color is really pretty. I like a little bit of a pop of color lately. That's really pretty. It's like a pop of color without being too bold. You know what I mean? I'm not so much into the nude lipsticks as much anymore. I've kind of shied away from that, and I feel like I need a little bit more color in my lips. Otherwise, I feel like I look a little bit washed out. So that's really pretty, but I will update you guys on how that wears. The other thing I wanted to try is their Photo Tint Perfection Foundation. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention too about ordering from Space NK's. I don't think you can return things, and if you can, it would probably cost me. So I just know that once I get something, I'm going to commit to it. I don't return everything anyways. I don't. There's very rare that I do. I know it might seem like I do. I don't. I don't return everything. There's products that I don't like, and I just keep them. But I don't think you can return it here. I mean, it would cost me money to send it back. So you have to know that. So this is what the bottle looks like, and I got it in the shade number 2 and Sand, so I hope it's not too dark. We will find out. And I'm just going to kind of get it on the back of my wrist just to kind of see what it looks like. Ooh, hopefully it won't be too dark. We will find out. But I wanted to try this. I have one of their other foundations. I think it's Photo Chantecaille, I think is what it is. I don't have the bottle in front of me. It's something like that, and I really like that one. So I thought I would give this one a try and let you know. Then I ordered this. This is the Photo Eye Twist. It's waterproof, long-lasting eyeshadow. It's a cream shadow. They do have single shadows, but they don't sell them at Space NK. I'm not a huge fan of the separate little shadows. I do have some from Chanel, but I don't want to get too many of them because I don't have a place to put them. And I just would rather have an eyeshadow palette because it's just more convenient for me. So this is what the packaging looks like. It feels nice. I mean, it's not like, it feels nice. It doesn't feel really cheap or anything like that. This is the color that I got. And then color is, I'll tell you, this is in the color, where are you? Number 7 Havana. So I figured I could do something with this. It says brown. Oh, it's really pretty. It's kind of like a almost a metallic-y brown. So I thought that's something I could use. Now, does it? Oh yeah, okay. So you turn it and it twists up. Very nice. So I'll do a look with that. I do have another eyeshadow from Sisley. It's a cream, but it's like in a little, it's like a liquid. So I was planning on doing a look with both of those. I decided to pick this up again. I actually reviewed it and I hated it. And I'm like, this is so overhyped. I don't get the big deal. But so many of you guys told me that I used it the wrong way. You're like, don't use it that way. You have to use it this way. So I'm going to retest it and I'm going to be stuck with it. So I better like it. But it is their blurring powder. So I picked this up in translucent. It's really light, but that's okay because when I get translucent powders, I'd rather it be like this than a color because sometimes it can alter the way your foundation looks. So we're going to give that a test again. This time I'm going to use a powder puff because so many people said use a powder puff. Some people said use it before you put foundation on. I'm going to try a couple different ways before I come back and we'll just test it out together, okay? And then I decided to pick up another one of these. I love their blushes so much. The one that I don't have it in front of me, but I decided to get the coral one. I need my little thing. Where did I put it here? Use this. I don't want to use my nails. Now, when you have nail polish on, you don't like to do that. So this is one of the blushes which I absolutely love. This is in the number 3. I hope I didn't order the wrong one. Oh my god, if I ordered the same one, I will be pissed off. So I thought I ordered the right one. If I ordered the wrong one, I'm going to be pissed off. No, I didn't. Whew. Okay, this is the color that I got. So the one that I have already is more, like has a bronzer in it, and then has coral, and it has like a little bit of a highlighter. This one's just coral. Is it gorgeous? It's so beautiful. These blushes are the most beautiful blushes. I love RMS blushes. They are amazing, but these are just, they just look like they're airbrushed when you use them. They're just so gorgeous, and you don't have to keep digging in to get the color. Like you could just put your brush in there and get it, and they're just so freaking gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this one. And this one, the packaging is different, so I must have changed packaging. Because the packaging I have is silver, and this one is gold, but I'm excited about that. And then I have one more product, and this one is from Chantecaille. So let me open this up and I will tell you what it is. This is from Chantecaille, and this is the Just Skin Tinted Moisturizer, which we don't care about that. It has an SPF in it, but it does have an SPF of 15, and this is in the color Nude. So this is it right here. Let's open it up and see what it looks like, and I'm going to test it out. Oh, so there's no, sometimes it has a little thing on it. I don't think there's any like little thing, you know what I mean, where you have to peel off. That's what I thought. Let me just get this, or does it? Hold on, I need to get my glasses on. Is that, oh yeah, it is. Okay, it's like a little, that is not good for people that have nails. Okay, I'm taking off the little, it's got this little thing on here. I've got to try to get off, or I got to get tweezers. That's Nude. Hopefully it's not too dark. Hopefully it's not too orangey. We'll see what it looks like. But that is it right there. Feels really nice. Feels very, very nice. So I'm going to test that out as well. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I decided I would pick that up. I'm just so excited. I can't wait. I wish I didn't have makeup on. I could try it today. But like I said, I'm going to test this out. So you're going to see this in a separate video. You're going to see this in a separate video. I think I might do the powder in a different video because I think I might test it a couple different ways just to see what's going to work. And then you're going to see me do the blush and everything in a whole video so you can see a whole look put together. So I'm really, really excited about that. So if you have any of these products, you like them, don't. I mean, I'm still reviewing them, but you can just give me a heads up on it. And if there's anything that you'd like me to share here, if there's any products that you'd like me to review, let me know. And here's the thing. If it's something I'm interested in, I will get it. If it's something that doesn't really interest me, I probably won't test it out. I do have another foundation from a company I have never purchased anything from, so I have that coming up. And I thought I had another, is there another foundation? Maybe not. I think that's it. Yeah, because I'm actually testing a foundation that I'm wearing today that was sent to me in PR, but I did order another one too that looked interesting to me. I don't know if it's going to work out for me, but I thought I would give it a shot and I will let you guys know. So anyways, I'm really excited about this. I hope that you guys are too. If you are new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is totally free. I share new videos every single Sunday and Wednesday. I upload a new video. You could always go on my playlist too. I have other videos that I've done. I think I have over 1,000 videos on my channel. I don't even know anymore. I have a lot of videos on my channel. So if there's something you're looking for, take a look at my playlist. And before you leave, if you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment. It helps to push my videos out to the algorithm. It's your way of giving back, and I greatly appreciate that. And I will try to remember to link everything that I'm wearing in the video below too, so you can check that out as well. And before you leave, thank you so much for your continued support. Truly means so much to me. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.